the screenshot, you're encountering the Destiny 2 server error code BEAGLE with the message, unreadable game content, a full Destiny 2 reinstall is required. Fix for error code BEAGLE in Destiny 2. This error usually happens due to corrupted game files, incomplete installations, or a conflict during content verification. Step-by-step fix. 1. Fully uninstall Destiny 2. Steam, go to Library, right-click Destiny 2, Manage, Uninstall. Delete loafer files in C Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Destiny 2, Sent App Data, Bungie, Sent Local App Data, Destiny 2. Epic Games, Library, 3 dots on Destiny 2, Uninstall. Delete leftover folders in similar directories. 2. Restart your PC console. Always restart after uninstalling to clear any cache or file locks. Turn off 3. Reinstall Destiny 2, fresh copy. Re-download the game from your platform, Steam, Epic, console. Ensure you have stable internet to avoid partial installation. For disable overlays while reinstalling PC only, turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, and GeForce Experience to avoid install conflicts. 5. Verify game files after reinstall. Steam, Library, right-click Destiny 2, Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity, click 3 dots, Manage. Verify. 6. Flush DNS, PC only, optional. Sometimes network cache affects install verification. 1. Open command prompt as admin. 2. Run ipconfig flush DNS. Bungie's official advice, error BEAGLE is almost always resolved by a full reinstall, as it means your game content is damaged or unreadable.